In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert pictures in PowerPoint 2013 quickly and correctly. Whether you're creating a school presentation, a business report, or a slideshow for a meeting, adding images can make your slides more engaging and professional. The good news is that PowerPoint 2013 makes this process very simple once you know where to click. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint 2013 presentation. You can either start with a new blank presentation or open an existing file where you want to add your image. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide where you want the picture to appear. Make sure the correct slide is selected in the left-hand slide panel. Now look at the top of your screen where you see the ribbon menu. You'll notice several tabs, such as Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, and more. To insert a picture, click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you need to add different types of content to your slide, including images, shapes, charts, and tables. After you click on Insert, look for the Images group within the ribbon. Here, you'll see an option labeled Pictures. Go ahead and click on Pictures. When you click on Pictures, a new window will open. This window allows you to choose where you want to insert the image from. Since we're adding a picture saved on your computer, click on This device. This option lets you browse files that are stored locally on your computer or laptop. After clicking on this device, a File Explorer window will appear. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. This could be in your Pictures folder, Desktop, Downloads, or any other location where you store your images. Take your time to find the correct image file. Once you locate the picture you want to insert, click on it to select it. Then click the Insert button at the bottom of the File Explorer window. Immediately, the picture will appear on your selected slide. Now that your image is inserted, you can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on the slide. If you need to resize the picture, click on one of the corner handles and drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. Using the corner handles keeps the image proportions correct so it doesn't look stretched or distorted. You can also use the Picture Tools tab that appears at the top when the image is selected. From there, you can apply picture styles, add borders, adjust brightness, crop the image, or even apply artistic effects. This allows you to customize the image so it fits perfectly with your slide design. If you ever insert the wrong picture by mistake, simply click on the image and press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it. Then you can repeat the same steps. Click Insert, click Pictures, click this device, choose your image, and click Insert again. As you can see, inserting pictures in PowerPoint 2013 is a very straightforward process. Just remember the simple path. Insert, Pictures, this device, select your image, and click Insert again. Once you practice it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and only takes a few seconds. Adding images to your slides can greatly improve visual appeal and help communicate your message more effectively. And that's it. That's how to insert pictures in PowerPoint 2013 step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.